Question from the Modern Divorce Support Group. We've got almost 300 comments. It says, sticky situation, please be respectful. The court order states that dad has every other weekend, and he has from preschool until now. We're in the middle of 8th grade. He's also lived with his now wife all of that time. They moved twice, but always within 20 to 30 minutes from the school. Because he's lived in that range, our actually custody has been closer to 50-50. But it varies a lot based on everyone's schedules, and if I have to work a weeknight or I have plans, sometimes he has her on school nights. He has almost all Fridays and weekends with me, getting some Sunday time occasionally, and a full weekend maybe every other month. Bio Dad has just stated that they put an offer in on a house, and I didn't even know they were looking. It's 45 minutes away. His reasoning is that they have 2 young kids, and the older of the 2 starts kindergarten next year, so they want to own instead of to rent before she starts school, so they have stability. I told him, based on that distance, the court order, and our daughter's age, that once he moves, she will be staying home alone at my house if I need to be away on a weeknight. He doesn't love it, but he understands the logical challenge. Weekends would be about the same. We all agree there. I also said that since his parenting time would be going down, that child support should go from $750, which it currently is, to $1,500, doubled, to account for the time difference. He said that's unreasonable because they budgeted for the house based on the current support amount, and the current child support amount is based on the every other weekend in the court order. He thinks as long as he keeps at least every other weekend, then child support shouldn't change. Very interesting comment section. My name is Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney. So yeah, child support currently is based on dad having every other weekend, and it is $750. So going back to every other weekend wouldn't be a very good reason for you to get more child support. The only reason that you could possibly get more child support would be if other things had changed, like his income. He's also had 2 other children, which sometimes knocks that child support calculator even lower depending on your state. There's also a discussion about whether or not your 14-year-old 8th grader should be home alone overnight simply because dad moved 15 minutes farther than he was further. Most people just have all sorts of problems with mom's thinking and proposals here. I think it's great that you're trying to work it out, outside of court. It sounds like you guys have done that for many years, and I hope that you can come to some agreements now and be flexible. It's okay that he moved. He didn't have to check with you. You're not entitled to the information. Please don't let your anger regarding his move impact the decisions that you both make about what is best for your daughter.